Hair shorn, mass tonsured heads, and month-long hunger strike. This is the desperate fight of ASHA workers in Kerala's Thiruvananthapuram. They are demanding post-retirement benefits, a pay hike, and official recognition as government workers. It all began on February 10, 2025. Hundreds of ASHAs gathered in front of the Kerala Secretariat, raising their voices against what they called government apathy. Their demand was simple: dignity for the workers who are the backbone of India's healthcare system. Days turned into weeks, talks were held with the government, but no solution came. Now, on the 50th day, the protest has taken an intense turn. Thousands of ASHAs have cut their hair, some have shaved their heads bald, an emotional act of defiance against what they call government indifference. They even marched with fistfuls of their own hair, chanting slogans on MG Road in Thiruvananthapuram. Similar protests have erupted in Alapura and Angamali. Even male supporters have joined in, shaving their heads in solidarity. What are ASHA workers fighting for? The ASHA workers have listed 20 demands, but at the heart of it, their fight is for permanent employment after 16 years of service, fair honorarium rules that don't disqualify them unfairly, basic dignity official ID cards and uniforms with the National Health Mission emblem, medical security financial aid for work-related injuries and free treatment in government hospitals, better work conditions, no unnecessary transfers, reduced workload, and weekly Sundays off, timely wages, no more endless service without proper pay. The left government in Kerala has taken a firm stance. It says there's no money to significantly increase the honorarium. It has placed the responsibility on the central government, claiming that funds under NHM for 2023-24 were never received. But the central government tells a different story. It says Kerala hasn't submitted a utilization certificate, which is why funds are stuck. Union Health Minister JP Nadda even announced in Parliament that ASHA's incentives will be raised, but only after due process. The Kerala government insists this 50-day-old agitation is not a mass movement. It claims only 400 ASHAs from the Kerala ASHA Health Workers Association, KAWA, are involved, while the majority affiliated with the CITU-led union have stayed away. But Kerala ASHA Health Workers Association has a different version. They say the fight is not about politics, it's about justice. The question remains, how long will these women fight? How long before the government listens?